And welcome back to the channel. I am Sarita Garbarini with Dreams Vacations. I'm here today with another travel tip. I hope you're enjoying the little tips that I'm dropping into this interwebs for you folks. Today I wanted to talk about first aid or preparing for emergencies or small emergencies because they happen. If you're not aware, I'm also a first responder for disasters, and I work, and one of my things I try to do is be prepared. And so it's really important for you to travel with something to kind of take care of those small emergencies, something to take care of yourself, maybe even before someone else can get to you. And so I travel. This is our family first aid kit that I travel with. It's really compact size, but they pack a lot of things into this first aid kit. So you'll have some antiseptic wipes, some towelettes, cold compress, ointment packets, gauze, splints. There's a first aid guide in here, bandages, which, usually you're delving into your first aid kit. That's the number one top thing is bandages, right? So you may have to be mindful about refilling it with bandages and things like that over time. But this is, really something. They have a place here for you to put your emergency contact information. So I really suggest you getting something like that. Come in all different sizes. I mean, we have a, just for our home, emergencies, not necessarily do with travel, but we have backpacks of emergency preparedness kits. But when you're thinking about travel, look at this this is so cute. I got this from one of my colleagues because we're obsessed with preparedness and being prepared. This little cute kit, little kit has some things in here for you. This is more of a cosmetic type thing, but you can find them for your first aid too. This has your lip balm, and you have some wipes in here, and some band-aids and things like that. So a little comb. So get yourself something so that you're prepared for emergency, just in case you need one. So that's my tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back next time for another one. As always, if you're planning a vacation, I would love to work with you, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.